Wagwan, welcome back to Roke TV, welcome back. Alright guys, so this rising, me go on an adventure again, me take you to Reggae Falls and me about to prep the meal from here because me have to go make the coconut milk. Right now, me about to husk out some coconut and grate it. Me go blend it up and make some coconut milk because the meal today we go create by the river. It go consist of coconut milk for the most part. The base of it is coconut milk. I'm going to do some other stuff in between that too. So stay tuned, one love. Today's a river day. This is how I husk my coconut them guys. Some people do it differently, but I some me do mine. Everybody have their own way of doing things. And there's nothing wrong with that. Ew. Look how much left. You see enough this wall actually. It holds way more than I thought. I get flour and sugar and some little something. To get one little bag. I have to buy one chaser because I have some rum. I use things to do it. Alright guys, we finally reached the river. I'm not reach the falls yet, but I reached the river already. But I have to go cross and them type of thing there, so stay tuned. We finally reached. I have to go walk up the river to reach the falls. But I don't really know guys, big up, one love. so I reach and now. See the falls there. See it there. But I not go up under the falls, I go just stay there so the water clean and pretty. I can feel the breeze off of the falls, I tell you it even fog up the phone. Guys, alright, so I have to go cook because the falls I blow a whole heap of water and it fog up the phone every time. So I have to just set up the cold stove here so. Yeah, man. Guys, we make it simmer down, you know. It have a whole heap more to go. It have to simmer down and some of the water have to dry out. I take off the pot cover. Let them do that here. River in the background, the falls are being nice. You hear that? It's a beautiful spot, guys. After I'm done eat and thing, I'm going to jump in the water because I'm not eat from morning. And it's not good for you to swim without food in your belly because you will catch a stitches and then something there. So, now wait for your belly full little. Well, not really full, but I have something in my belly first before I jump in. Have some rum in this. I put some more. Alright, so this is the end of the video. See the falls in the background there. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more like this. Big up. One love.